Hi guys, it is Darian the tutor. Today I'm going to show you how to download a folder that is compressed or zipped and extract it if you are on a PC. So a computer that is not a Mac. So let's go ahead and get started. If you don't already have it open, you're going to want to go to the school Western website. Parent students, go ahead and log in to your Blackboard. Perfect example, Web Design 1, we're going to go ahead and this week we have some folders that we need to get. Down here and second, project stuff. This would be the final project where you are creating a website for either the organic farm or the jungle gym. We're going to go ahead and open the second project folder stuff. We have a screen here. This has the evaluation sheet, so that is going to be what you're graded on, and then the two PDFs that have the content, which should be inside your website, and then the two zip folders that have your, I guess you could say, your logos and other stuff that you may need. So for this option, I am going to pick the jungle gym, but it would be the same way if you were to do the Kale Ridge, which would be the organic farm, so it would be the same steps. You go ahead and click on this. It's automatically gonna go down to your taskbar like this and download. So now what you want to do is we can just minimize your web browser. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to open your Finder or your Previewer or your File Explorer in this case. And you're going to probably get something like this. It's going to probably have a whole bunch of your recent stuff that you opened. And you're going to want to navigate to your downloads. Now here you can see I have a few downloads. And you have the Jungle Gym support folder. You hover over it, it's going to say it's a compressed folder. On PC, if you click this folder, it is going to highlight in blue, and then up here you're going to see a pink extract tab. What you can do is you can hit extract all from here, and it's going to extract everything that is in this folder directly to your downloads. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And it's going to ask you, well, hey, where do you want me to put this stuff? It will automatically pick your download folder, which is where I recommend that you have it go. And then you just hit extract, and then it'll eventually will pop open another folder for you. Now here, you see we have the Jungle Gym support folder. Inside here is all of our stuff we would need. So now this folder right here is the folder that you need to hang on to and that you need to use for your project. So you can right click on this and copy it if you want and paste it elsewhere, but this is essentially the folder that you need to get your files from. So again, I'm going to go back, I'm going to close this, I'm going to close my downloads folder, I'm going to go ahead and reopen that minimized web browser that I had, and I'm going to open the Kale Ridge support, which would be the organic farm. I'm going to click on it. It's going to automatically download. You'll see it down here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to minimize that tab. Open a preview, a Finder, or a File Explorer. And again, you're going to see random stuff sometimes depending on how your computer is set up. You'll want to navigate to your downloads. And here you'll see I have the compressed Jungle Gym that we previously worked on, and then a compressed Kale Ridge support, two other random things that don't matter, and then the extracted Jungle Gym support. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Kale Ridge support file, and this time we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to select the folder itself and right click on it, and you're going to get probably all sorts of different options right here. What you can do is it's going to say extract all. It might say extract here. Basically, we're just going to want to extract all. And when we extract all, we're going to get the same screen that we did when we did the jungle gym. And it's going to automatically say that, hey, I'm going to extract this stuff to downloads. Do you want me to do that? For now, yeah, let's just tell it to do that. And it's going to pop open again another folder. And then you can see within the Kale Ridge support folder is all the stuff that you would need to complete your project. So if you go back one, this essentially would be the folder that you need to hold on to and keep track of. You can copy, paste that, put that wherever you need it to. And then if you ever were to mistakenly copy that somewhere else and then delete a file out of there that you didn't need to, it would always still be in your downloads so you could re-extract it again. So that is how you extract a file that is compressed or zipped. On Mac, it would be obviously a double click, which is a little bit different from PC, obviously, as you can see. I just showed you. If you have any questions, just go ahead, feel free to shoot me an email or ask your instructor. If you still can't get it, feel free to jump into a tutoring classroom and I can certainly show you how to do it over again. And have fun, stay safe, and happy coding!